Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to see your recent sheets in the Google Sheets application on your phone. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application. I'm currently signing into my account. I freshly created this account only for these videos. So let's jump into it. Uh, let's say that you have plenty of sheets in your library. You can't count them, but you want to see all of the recent sheets that you've opened and you've got. How can you see those? Well, what you're gonna do is click on these three lines in the top left corner of your phone, and here we have an option called recent. You have to click on that, and here will appear all of your recent sheets. I don't have any. I only have one because this account, as I said, is brand new. But if you are working here or doing something here, they will all appear here. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.